Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Nigeria lost $1 billion in revenue during the first quarter of this year due to crude oil theft, the petroleum regulator said, warning that this is a big threat to the economy of Africa's top producer. Countries of the Middle East, Asia, South and Central America can become promising export markets for products of the Russian woodworking sector, the Ministry of Industry said. The rapid rise of the US dollar since the start of the year is a double-edged sword for American multinational companies, pushing some of them to decide whether to hedge or reposition their activities abroad to avoid fallout. The last session saw the pound drop 0.6% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair rose 2% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2.8% during the session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. Germany's trade balance will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's exports at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's imports at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's labour cash earnings will be released at 2330 GMT. Japan's overall household spending at 2330 GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Construction Index at 2230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.